Hello, and welcome to this session of Scrum Master Certification course. Non-core roles are those roles which are not mandatory for the Scrum project and may include team members who are interested in the project, have no formal role on the project team, may interface with the team, but may not be responsible for the success of the project. The non-core roles should also be taken into account in any Scrum project. The non-core roles are not mandatory for the Scrum project, and they might not be continuously or directly involved in the Scrum process. However, it's important to know the non-core roles because they could play a significant part in some Scrum projects. Non-core roles can include the following. Stakeholders. This is a collective term that includes customers, users, and sponsors who frequently interface with the product owner, Scrum Master, and Scrum team to provide them with input and facilitate creation of the project's product, service, or other result. Stakeholders influence the project throughout the project's development. Stakeholders may also have a role to play during the develop epics, create prioritized product backlog, conduct release planning, retrospect sprint, and other important processes in Scrum. Customer. This is the individual or the organization that acquires and uses the project's product, service, or other result. For any organization, depending on the project, there can be both internal customers, which means they're within the same organization, or external customers, which means they work outside of the organization. Sponsor. This individual or organization provides resources and support for the project. The sponsor is also the stakeholder to whom everyone is accountable in the end. At times, the same person or organization can play multiple stakeholder roles. For example, the sponsor and the customer may be the same entity. Vendors include external individuals or organizations that provide products and services that are not within the core competencies of the project organization. Scrum Guidance Body, also referred to as SGB. This is an optional role. It generally consists of a group of documents and/or a group of experts who are typically involved with defining objectives related to quality, government regulations, security, and other key organizational parameters. These objectives guide the work carried out by the product owner, Scrum Master, and Scrum team. The Scrum Guidance Body also helps capture the best practices that should be used across all Scrum projects in the organization. The Scrum Guidance Body doesn't make decisions related to the project. Instead, it acts as a consulting or guidance structure for all the hierarchy levels in the project organization, the portfolio, program, and project. Scrum teams have the option of asking the Scrum Guidance Body for advice as required. Thank you for watching this video of Scrum Master Certification course.